Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Microsoft .NET 2015 installation did not succeed and the .NET framework has not been installed, then please watch this video. So before trying to reinstall it, here's what you have to do. Open any browser and search for Microsoft .NET Redistributable. Okay, then go to the first link. Wait for it to load. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2019, 2017, 2022. Click on this. Scroll down. If you have a 32-bit computer, then this one. And mostly people have a 64-bit computer. So the second one, click on this and click on Open. If it is already installed, which it usually is, you may be asked to repair it. So click on Repair and let it go through. Once this repair is done, wait for this to complete. Once this repair is done, search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Turn Windows features on or off. Now, you can check this box if it is unchecked and expand it and check all of these boxes. Click on OK and it will install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.